that we've just got one 2x4 to deal with here. Alright, so this is the Walabot, and we're going to go start by hitting some calibration on this so that we can actually tell what's behind the wall once it's ready. But the key is that you've got to actually do the calibration prior to using it. If you don't, things just don't go well. Alright, and then start the scan. It's pretty nice because you just put it over the wall surface and you move it gently. And right there. In this case, because of the double line, we know that we're dealing with a good old piece of timber. And then over here, we have an electrical line, and that's signified by the thin line. So now we know that we've just got one 2x4 to deal with here.